Hello everyone, my name is Ben Plummer. I'm the Head of the Centre of Excellence for European Programmes and Local Growth. Welcome to this gripping Talking Heads video. I'm going to be spending a little bit of time talking about the Centre of Excellence itself and just taking you through our priorities and telling you a little bit about what we're going to be doing for this financial year. And we'll have a little wander at the same time. So firstly, what is the Centre of Excellence? Well, a Centre of Excellence will vary in its kind of functionality depending on the organisation it's part of or the portfolio structure that it's part of. But we've got quite a clear vision and statement of purpose, which sets out quite succinctly what we're all about. So who are we? Well, we're a geographically dispersed team of 23 staff based in 9 offices ranging from Truro down in the southwest to Newcastle in the north. We come from a range of different backgrounds, ranging from global development, marketing, communications, project and change management, to HR, finance, audit and software development. There's also karaoke late night crooners who walk amongst us, as well as a thrash metal guitar player, a snowboarder, a poet and a gospel singer. In terms of our structure, we recently reorganised ourselves to better align the team and our work with the Directorate's needs and also to build some resilience and integration within the team. We've got 5 key functions. The first is people and capability, which is primarily kind of all the people work that we do around learning and development, workforce planning, resource management, payroll and that type of thing. That's headed up by Sandra Papula. There's then business improvement and communications, headed up by Michelle Egan, which looks at all of our continuous improvement work and the programme that we're delivering, as well as business process improvement and all of our internal and external comms. Then we have the business and systems support function, which currently Stephen Haler is heading up with some kind of little bit of work also from Sharon Shattuck, who's currently on the eClaims project. That function will be looking at eClaims, Jaspersoft reporting, data integrity, finance. We've then got business assurance and risk management, headed up by Laura Clayton, primarily looking at or primarily overseeing procurement support for the Directorate, as well as all of our risk management functions and liaison with audit. And last but not least, performance and intelligence, headed up by Nicola, who is responsible for a huge amount of complex data management and modelling, all of our dashboards and all of our interim claims databases and that kind of thing that we're developing and using at the moment. So looking ahead, we've got 8 strategic team objectives for this financial year. Rather than go through all of those in detail now, feel free to go to the hub where you'll find our team plan and you can have a look at them there.
A number of our objectives underpin the support and development of what we call our Integrated Performance Management Framework, or IPM. This is an evolving concept that informed the Centre of Excellence redesign and has become central to our thinking in recent months. Basically, the framework will help us manage and continually improve programme performance. It will help us develop and make best use of our people and resources and ensure that we understand and manage risk in a timely and joined up way. The IPM will also act as a kind of programme umbrella for a lot of the project work that we undertake in the coming months.
Okay, just to highlight 1 or 2 of the bigger projects that we'll be working on over the coming months. First of all, there's the ongoing development of our interim MI and claims databases and dashboards, reporting products, and linking all that in with the integrated performance dashboarding framework. And we'll also be looking to develop the MI network as a national focused team. We're also embarking on a transitional project, moving from all of our current interim arrangements to eClaims and Jaspersoft. That includes the development of Jaspersoft as a functional system and developing the reports. We'll also be refreshing our resource model, working with the GDTs to develop that as a tool that can be used to manage capacity and performance at a GDT level. We're developing a workforce strategy which also encompasses all of our learning development programme, the career development offer and all of our people-focused activities. We're just coming up to the evaluation of the first tranche of continuous improvement projects. and then we'll be embarking on the second tranche, which will be much more focused on benefits realisation now that we've got a number of the yellow and green belts through the system and accredited. In addition to that, there's all of the day-to-day work that we do. I won't cover it all now, but there's obviously the internal and external comms, which I'm sure you've seen a lot of. We'll be continuing to coordinate the business process group and developing our processes and procedures, coordinating our responses to audit and liaising with audit on the system audits that are coming up, managing all of our counter-fraud and delivery risk work, and also working with claims managers, the procurement network, the L&D network, to collaboratively develop a consistent approach to what we do and ensure that we're continuously improving as we go. Our final objective involves working with the policy team. So we now have a bi-weekly joint meeting with them, and we'll be working quite closely together on the future extraction work and the future funding and development work for post-EU exit. And our role within that will be to be providing analysis, supporting with information, and just ensuring that, that the models that are developed are fit for purpose and have been thought through from a delivery perspective and incorporated lessons learned. Okay, so that's the end of this Talking Heads video. I hope it's provided a useful kind of snapshot of what we do.
Fishy. There's a fishy in there. There's a fishy.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? So that wraps up this Talking Head video. I hope it's provided a useful snapshot and told you a little bit, so you know a little bit more about what the Centre of Excellence is about. Thanks very much. If you want any more information, feel free to get in touch.